welcome back to my channel. My eyes are super sunburned from surfing yesterday. Don't mind that. I've been a little bit MIA the past week. I was sick and then we got a Hurricane Lala. About to go to the gym and then I think we're gonna have a little beach day, go to Lucky's and maybe shell a little bit. The water has been a little bit murky since the hurricane, so hopefully it's cleared up. I just got this banana bread from Oliva and it's supposed to be the best banana bread like in the world, so let's try it. I wanted to get the chocolate chip but they were out of stock. So good. Okay, do you know what's going on?
I don't know. I have no idea what's going on.
I'm gonna read the ingredients and then you guys get them from the fridge.
Okay. Okay, 2 tablespoons of water. Bowls 2.
Did I go in?
That was clean. Okay, 2 tablespoons of water in.
Is it good?
Okay, that's good.
Where's the bowl? Okay, tell me when.
Pour it. Yeah.
Okay.
2 eggs. I'm holding the eggs. We got this.
Georgia and Soap should do the eggs.
Okay, where's the bowl? Oh, that's pretty good. Wait, where's the trash can?
Flawless. Cheers. Oh, is that your timer for the cookies on you?
She can't hear you. Okay, everything's in the bowl.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Is this? More?
Hey, you just got it. What is that? What is that? Oh my god, that feels like a bug.
What is it? What is it?
Get away from me!
Is that my frother?
It sounds like.
Where's the oven? So, okay, maybe that's not a good idea. What are you putting on me? Who is that? What? I know it's Olivia.
Just don't go right.
Oh my gosh.
It is 6:56 a.m. and I have a photo shoot. I promise I'm excited. I'm just so tired because I got no sleep last night, right? Time to get I'm I'm all ready to go. I'm probably gonna change out my earrings. I can't forget. I'm just not feeling the hoops with this bikini shoot. I'm probably gonna change into my Calvary ones, and then yeah, guys, I'm excited. Good morning, guys. It's my birthday. I just put on my new swimsuit I got for my birthday. There's a wave on the North Shore, a little birthday wave. We're gonna go surf and then go to Keikis Beach and have a little beach day. I'm gonna take the twin fin out. My wax job is actually like really scary. I need to re-wax it like ASAP.
Ready? I think we're going!